Welcome to Bright Star Kids! Let's explore the jungle. Are you ready for a wild adventure? Let's go! Roar! Who could that be? It's the mighty lion, the king of the jungle. The lion says, "Can you say roar with me? Ready?" Can you roar like a big, brave lion? Ready? Roar! And a baby lion is called a cub. Cub! Such a fluffy little cub. Shh! Tiptoe! Tiptoe! Here comes the tiger with beautiful stripy fur. The tiger says, "Can you say growl with me? Ready?" Can you creep so quietly and then pounce like a tiger? A baby tiger is also called a cub. Cub! Look at those tiny paws. Spots, spots everywhere, sneaking softly through the grass. The leopard! The leopard says, "Can you say growl with me? Ready?" Can you climb and pounce like a spotty leopard? A baby leopard is called a cub. Cub! It hides in the tall grass. Stomp, stomp, stomp! The biggest animal of all, the elephant. Look at its long trunk. The elephant says, "Can you say trumpet with me? Ready?" Can you swing your arm up high like an elephant's trunk? Trumpet! A baby elephant is called a calf. Calf! It holds mommy's tail with its little trunk. Look up, up, why, yippee! Wow, so tall! It's the giraffe with the longest neck of all. Giraffes are very quiet and gentle. Can you see up tall like a giraffe? As tall as you can. A baby giraffe is called a calf. Calf! And it's already taller than you. Splish, splash! Who's that in the water? The big, round hippo. It opens its huge mouth and says, "Can you say grunt with me? Ready?" Can you open your mouth really wide like a hungry hippo? A baby hippo is called a calf. Calf! It loves to swim next to mommy. Thump, thump, thump! Here comes the Rhino with a big horn on its nose. The Rhino says, "Can you say grunt with me? Ready?" Can you stomp like a strong, heavy rhino? A baby rhino is called a calf. Calf! Its horn is just a tiny bump at first. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah! Swinging way up in the trees, it's the silly monkey. The monkey says, "Can you say ooh, ah with me? Ready?" Can you jump and scratch like a cheeky monkey? Ooh, ooh, ah! A baby monkey holds on tight to mommy's back. A baby monkey! So cute! stripes, stripes, everywhere. It's the zebra. Every zebra's stripes are special, just like you. The zebra says, can you say neigh with me? Ready? Can you gallop and run like a stripy zebra? A baby zebra is called a foal, foal. Its stripes are brown and white at first. Rustle, rustle in the forest. It's the big, furry bear, the bear says. Can you say growl with me? Ready? Can you stomp your feet like a great big bear? Grrr. A baby bear is called a cub, cub. It loves sweet honey. Yum. When the moon comes out at night, listen closely. The wolf. It lifts its head and says, "Ooh." Can you say howl with me? Ready? Can you howl at the moon like a wolf? A whoa! A baby wolf is called a pup, pup. It plays with the whole wolf family. Quick and clever, with a big bushy tail, it's the sneaky fox. The fox says, can you say yip with me? Ready? Can you tiptoe softly like a sly little fox? A baby fox is called a kit, kit. It has the fluffiest tail. Boing, boing, boing. Hopping across the land, it's the kangaroo. It has a special little pocket called a pouch. Can you hop, hop, hop like a bouncy kangaroo? A baby kangaroo is called a Joey, Joey. It rides inside mommy's cozy pouch. Munch, 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 sitting and eating yummy bamboo. It's the cuddly panda. Pandas are gentle and love to chew. Can you munch, munch, munch like a panda eating bamboo? A baby panda is called a cub, cub. It's tiny and pink when it is born. Wow, what a wild adventure! Let's say all their sounds one more time. You did it! You met all the wild animals and their babies. Which one was your favorite? Great job, right? Star Kid! Subscribe for more adventures. Bye-bye!